Down in it. There you go. Got yourself a little spot to lay down
I
now.
did it too. I think okay. I baby. She's a lady in it. It's mine.
You got yourself a bed. Yeah, Apache. What are you doing, Apache?
That's what you're going to be doing this summer to keep it cool. You're digging and stuff.
Yeah, there's some of that natural instinct.
Yeah. It's pretty quiet.
Dig a hole and lay in it.
Just teaching them.
You can hear people at the rock pit from here working. You think they're getting tired after all that?
Nah.
Pretty rough terrain right there. It's pretty rough terrain right there for them going high speed like that. I know what, 4 or 5 inches tall.